In this video, I'll show you how to reduce the size of PDF files on Windows. Open the PDFgear app on your device. Click on the Compress PDF tool to start. Add the PDF files you want to compress here. You can add and compress multiple PDFs at the same time. Click here, and all selected files will be compressed at once. The default compression setting is medium, which balances file size and quality. Once compression is complete, the smaller PDF files will be saved to your device. Check the box to select all files. Then, you can remove them by clicking this button. You can also choose different compression levels for each file and compress them in batches. Expand this menu to select the desired compression level. Then click Compress to start. You can also compress a file after opening it. Open the PDF with PDFgear. Click the Compress button in the Tools tab. The current PDF will be added automatically to the compression window. Choose a compression level here. Low compression keeps the quality high but results in larger files. Low compression reduces the PDF to 451 kilobytes. This is the compressed PDF. You can still select the text in the PDF. The logo image is also clear. Now, let's try the medium compression level. The medium level gives a balance of file size and quality. Medium compression reduces the PDF to 224 kilobytes. The image is less clear compared to the low level, but the text is still selectable, and you can annotate or perform other actions. Let's compare it with the original file. From 2 megabytes to 224 kilobytes, the file size shrinks by nearly 10 times. But the images remain clear, and the text displays normally. However, if you just need a smaller PDF file, try the high level. The high level compressed the PDF to 200 kilobytes. The image isn't as clear as in the original. The text can still be edited and selected normally. You can easily annotate the text in the PDF. All text in the PDF is fully editable. For text-based PDFs, there's no loss of quality even with high-level compression. For PDFs with images, higher compression levels reduce image quality, but the file size will be smaller. This is how you can compress PDF files using PDFgear with 3 different compression levels. You can continue to add more files. Click the Add Files button to add other files to compress. You can also select multiple files at once. Here's the button to delete files. You can choose a different compression level for each file. You can also uncheck a file to skip compressing it without deleting it. Then, click the Compress button to batch compress the files. Here are the detailed settings for batch compressing files. Besides the compress option on the Welcome and View pages, PDFgear Copilot can also open the compress interface. Open the PDFgear Copilot, then input or select the compress command. Click Yes. Then you can compress the PDF directly. That's everything about compressing PDF file sizes on Windows devices. PDFgear allows you to batch compress PDF files. It also offers 3 compression levels for you to choose from. You can download PDFgear and try it out. Just search for PDFgear in your browser. Go to the PDFgear official website. Then you can download and install PDFgear on your device. Follow this channel for more PDF tips. See you in the next video.